Ever found yourself needing to send money instantly, like right now, and wondered if your credit union had your back with those quick transfer apps? You know the drill, right? Your friend splitting the dinner bill, your kid needs lunch money, or you're grabbing that limited-time online deal before it vanishes. We live in a world of instant gratification, and when it comes to money, speed is king. Think about it. The days of waiting for checks to clear or trekking to a physical branch for a wire transfer? They're practically relics. Now, we're talking about tapping a few buttons and boom, money's on its way. But here's the kicker, not every financial institution plays ball with every instant transfer service. So, the question on everyone's mind today, especially if you're a member of Patriot Federal Credit Union, is this: does Patriot FCU have Zelle? Before we dive headfirst into that answer, let's take a step back and understand why this matters so much. Zelle, for those who might be new to it, is a digital payment network that allows users to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the U.S., typically within minutes. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's integrated directly into many banking apps, making it a seamless experience. Now, why the big fuss about Zelle? Well, it's not just about speed. It's about security, too. Zelle leverages the existing infrastructure of the U.S. banking system, meaning your transactions are protected by the same security measures your bank already employs. This gives users a sense of confidence when sending money to friends, family, or even trusted businesses. But here's where things get interesting. Not every financial institution offers Zelle. Some might have their own proprietary peer-to-peer payment systems, while others might rely on third-party apps. This brings us back to our central question: where does Patriot FCU stand in all of this? Patriot Federal Credit Union, as many of you know, is a member-owned financial cooperative that focuses on providing personalized services and competitive rates. They're known for their commitment to their community and their dedication to financial well-being. But in today's digital age, even community-focused institutions need to keep pace with technological advancements. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Patriot FCU offer Zelle? The answer, as of right now, requires a bit of nuance. Patriot FCU, like many credit unions, is constantly evolving its services to meet the needs of its members. The landscape of digital payments is dynamic, with new technologies and partnerships emerging regularly. To get the absolutely most up-to-date information, it is always best to check directly with Patriot FCU. However, many credit unions do offer Zelle or partner with other services that provide similar functionality. Many credit unions participate in shared networks that allow for the use of Zelle. It is important to look at the Member Services area of the Patriot FCU website or to contact them directly. Here's why it's crucial to understand the specifics of your credit union's offerings. Convenience: instant transfers save time and eliminate the hassle of traditional payment methods. Security: knowing your transactions are protected by established banking protocols provides peace of mind. Accessibility: digital payment services make it easier to manage finances on the go. Cost-effectiveness: many instant transfer services, including Zelle, are often free for personal use. If you find that Patriot FCU doesn't directly offer Zelle, don't despair. There are other avenues you can explore. Many credit unions offer alternative peer-to-peer payment options, or they might partner with third-party apps that provide similar services. Here are a few alternatives to consider. Other peer-to-peer payment apps, services like Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal offer instant transfer capabilities and are widely used. While they might not be directly integrated with your Patriot FCU account, they can still be linked to your debit card or bank account for seamless transactions. Credit union-specific payment systems: some credit unions have their own proprietary payment systems that offer similar functionality to Zelle. Check with Patriot FCU to see if they have any such services available. Bill pay features: many online banking platforms, including those offered by credit unions, have robust bill pay features that allow you to send money to individuals and businesses electronically. While not as instant as Zelle, they can still be a convenient option for certain types of payments. ACH transfers, automated clearinghouse, ACH, transfers are electronic bank-to-bank transfers that are commonly used for direct deposits and recurring payments. While they typically take a few business days to process, they can be a reliable and cost-effective option for larger transactions. Check with Patriot FCU directly. The most reliable way to find out what services are offered is to contact the credit union directly. They will give you the most current and correct information. It's also worth noting that the financial technology landscape is constantly changing. New partnerships and integrations are announced regularly, so it's always a good idea to stay informed about the latest developments. To recap, Zelle is a popular digital payment network that allows for instant money transfers. Whether or not Patriot FCU offers Zelle requires verification with the FCU directly. If Zelle isn't available, there are alternative peer-to-peer payment options to consider. It is always best to check with the financial institution for the most up-to-date information. So, whether you're a seasoned Zelle user or just exploring your digital payment options, remember that staying informed is key. Take the time to research your credit union's offerings and explore the various alternatives available. And most importantly, choose the payment method that best suits your needs and provides the security and convenience you're looking for. Remember, technology is ever evolving. What is true today might be different tomorrow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.